Look at that freaking highlight. That is amazing, that highlight going on right there. Look at that. Alright, anyway guys, if you want to see how I got this look, obviously just watch the video because I'm about to do a tutorial. Just to let y'all know, every Monday I'm going to try to post a makeup video, whether it is me just talking about drama between beauty gurus or it's me doing a makeup tutorial. Also, you can leave in the comments what kind of makeup type videos you would want, or hair care or skin care, anything like that. I know how to do. I even know how to do nails. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I've been one for almost 8 years, 10 years now, somewhere around there. I graduated in 2010, so we're going on 8 years. But yeah. And the last thing I wanted to say is thank you for subscribing to me. I really appreciate it, and I know chances are you probably didn't subscribe to me to look at makeup, which is why I'm only going to do makeup videos on Monday. So if you don't like these kinds of videos, you know, I have a bunch of other videos that have nothing to do with makeup. So promise, only on Mondays I'm going to do this. So I hope you guys like it. And I think I said in another video I was going to do like murder mysteries every Monday, but those are so hard to make those murder mystery videos are so hard to make in terms of like gathering information, and then you want to be respectful. So I think I could only get around to doing those like once a month. I don't know how people do it every week. Hope you guys like this tutorial, and I will see you guys in another video. Alright, so I'm using the Beka eye cream mixed with the NARS concealer for under my eyes. And I put this on before I put on my foundation, only when I'm using the Fenty foundation, because I found with Fenty foundation, you can't use concealer if you're going to use the matchsticks, and that's just a fact. You can barely use setting powder with these matchsticks. Now, I am going to mix these matchsticks with the Cover FX drops you see. Usually I do it on my face, but I decided to do it in a little like bin or sample thing. Usually I do it in the actual tin thing or contour kit, whatever you call it, as you saw how dirty it was. And I just like the consistency it gives when you mix them with the Cover effect. So I either mix the matchsticks or the Anastasia contour kit with the Cover effects drops, and it works wonders. Like, I don't know, it just has a really good consistency. And if you can see, this color's going to be a little bit darker than the other color, and the reason for that is because I don't like to use the same color that I use under my eyes along my jawline, like right under my cheeks, you know, when you do the brown contour. But anyways, you know what I'm saying. But I don't like to use the same color because I feel like it's too white or too light, you know, like, I don't know, I just feel like the color that goes into your eyes is too light to be the same color that goes along your jawline. That's just how I feel, and so I tend to use the more banana looking one along my jawline. Jawline. Just kidding. But I love these Cover FX drops. Now, if you use them by themselves, they do dry really quickly, so you gotta be careful if you're using them alone. They're not like, you know, there's one videos where you drop them on your face and they drip. Like, they don't do that. Sorry, guys. But anyways, y'all like my little cup. Alright, so here's me using the concealer slash Fenty whatever. It's not concealer, but I don't know. Rihanna calls the Fenty Matchsticks concealer, so I guess they're kind of like concealer, but yeah, it's just me contouring. And, you know, obviously, I do it like everybody else, you know, go under the eyes, go along the jawline. Now, I do a little curve here along my jawline, you'll see whenever I do that, and I go like that with the oval brush. This is the Oval RT6 brush, and the reason why I do that little curve is because I'm fat, and that's the reason why I go along my jawline with it too. If you're fat like me and you want those chubby cheeks to be chiseled, this is the method to do it, just so y'all know. And then I'm going to take this brown contour and put it on my nose, but obviously I'm going to put it on my face here. This is a French vanilla going on this side. It's the worst tutorial ever. Sorry guys, I have a freaking attention span of a freaking rodent.
Let me tell you. Actually, rodents have good attention spans. They tend to outsmart traps all the time. If you've noticed in those mouse trap videos, I don't know if y'all watch those on YouTube, but don't watch them if you like animals. But yeah, this is just me contouring my face here, you know. Up here on my nose, after I use that oval brush, I'll go in with the Beauty Blender because it's just such a small space, and if you use the oval brush too much, you can definitely like smear it everywhere, just so you know. And with my forehead's so big, like whenever I put any kind of contour on my forehead, I literally can just go nuts and not have to worry about it looking stupid because my forehead's just so big, so it looks stupid anyway. So I don't have to worry about it. So I just kind of do whatever I want there, as you can see. So what are y'all up to? You know, how's business going? You guys doing good? Yeah. What's the 411? What's the hot gossip? Mom, can you go fix your hair? This is the Peach Powder by Too Faced, and as you will notice, the next couple of products I'm going to use are all freaking scented. I don't know what it is with me and scented makeup, but I freaking love scented makeup. And you better well know this smells like peaches. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is the NARS Concealer. I just use that as an eye primer. I find it better than any other eye primer I've ever used in my life. White Peach Palette, and you know it smells like peaches, of course. I love peach flavored smells. It smells so good. And then the White Chocolate Palette, which of course smells like white chocolate. My face is going to smell like peach and chocolate. Peaches and chocolate. Yeah, so this is that black color. Just put it on the corner of your eye there, as you see. Now I'm not doing a cut crease. I'm just kind of giving myself a little bit of a base so when I put this pink color, it will actually show up. You know, I usually do a cut crease, but this time, since this was like a quick makeup tutorial for like Mondays and you don't feel like doing your makeup, and this is me blending right there. And this is again me blending, but yeah, when I don't feel like doing my makeup, I tend to do more of a more subtle eyeshadow look, as you can see. And that's just a clean brush, so I'm just going over that, just kind of blending in it. I tend to use clean brushes to blend out the rest of like anything if I need to. But yeah, so just adding a little bit of highlight, you know, along my eyes and stuff. This is the eyeliner called Starry Night. It's a Sephora eyeliner. I don't know if they sell it anymore. I bought this 2 years ago and then I lost it right after I bought it, and I just recently found it again and it was still brand new. So yeah, this is the Peachy Cheeks blush, not bronzer. That's the Diamond Light by Too Faced highlighter. Put a little bit on my brow bone there, you know. Chocolate gold. Yeah, chocolate gold bronzer. That's what that is. So yeah. You know it smells like chocolate! 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 Just kind of wiping stuff off there. It's Highbrow by Benefit. And I blend it in with a little bit of highlighter. And then this is going to be the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit as well. And then I go with the Anastasia brow pomade. And then I just kind of color it in there. This stuff works wonders. Like, this stuff will save your life. If you have ugly eyebrows, I love this stuff. But you can always overdo it, so don't put too much whenever you're doing your eyebrows and using the pomade. And then this is the color Milkshake, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love their liquid lipsticks. They're amazing. And if this color's too light, obviously use a little bit of a darker nude lip for this look. I actually call this look baby girl because I feel like it makes me look like a little girl trying to be a baby. I don't know. So now we are going to do our hair. This is going to be the messy bun. And literally you can do this hairstyle in 2 minutes. And I used to secure it with bobby pins, but Graveyard Girl taught me a little trick. And instead of securing it with a bobby pin, after you wrap your hair around it, you just secure it with the rubber band, as you see me doing here, which is amazing. And then you just kind of mess up your hair a little bit. So yeah, this is my Monday look. This is a look I would do if I was going to go to school or do something extremely boring for the day. And I know I'm going to sleep and nap all day and whatnot. And I know I can get up and my makeup will look the same. So yeah.
Alright, so this is my finished look. Originally this was going to be a do your makeup in 10-minute challenge, 5-minute challenge, and it took me an hour to do this look. So yeah, but this is my quick Monday look. Like if I had to go to school today, this is what I would do. It's really subtle, and the main difference between this look and maybe a look I would do where I would spend a little bit more time on is definitely the eyeliner. If you've seen my past looks, you know that I really like to get colorful and exotic with my eyeliner, and sometimes my color too. And I definitely always like to do the cut crease, even though I suck at it. But this is definitely my finished look for Monday today. And I even have my little accessory with me. She is not real, although she's very authentic looking. It's not real. This is just a stuffed animal, guys. So I don't need any hate comments saying, oh, animals aren't accessories. No, this is not a real animal. It is a teddy bear, as you can see. I won her in a crane game, you know, the little crane game that goes down and picks him up. That's how I won this stuffed animal, and I've become very attached to it as well. And for those of you that are waiting for the part 2 of my lawsuit video, that is coming tomorrow. So look out for that video. I will be posting it tomorrow, unless something happens and it'll be Wednesday. But for sure it's going to be ready by tomorrow. It's just so much. Like, just so much comes out and you just have to add so much. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and here is my little model reel of me showing off my makeup, so hope you guys like it. Alright, so obviously this is a real dog, guys. Her name is Ginger, and she's not my dog. I am babysitting her, so she's going back to her owners tomorrow, but she's so cute. She loves to be held. It's like the cutest thing. I've never had a dog or a cat that just likes to sit there and chill. I mean, she was falling asleep when I was talking. Like, she just likes to be held. And when you're sitting down, she'll just come and sit in your lap. Like, she just always wants to be held and sit in your lap. And my cats look at her like she is food. I mean, I have to, like, when she's running around the house, I have to, like, make sure my cats are not stalking her. This is the one that is looking at this one as food. This is Butters. Butters. He is... Oh, what can we say about Butters? Butters is my buddy. This is my cuddle buddy. This is the one... the other cat, she'll sleep in my lap, yeah. But this is a cat that will cuddle with me no matter what. Like, I can, if I wanted to, I could pick him up right now, take him to bed with me, and he will stay. He'll sleep on my chest. He'll sleep next to me, and he will just sit there and cuddle with me and sleep. So this is my sleeping buddy. Yeah, I got a sleeping buddy, and the other one's my play buddy. The one, because the other cat, she's the one that follows me around all day and hangs out with me. And then this is the one that sleeps with me and cuddles with me and comforts me when I'm sad. I love Butters. Chocolate!